Let's say that we wanted to increase our stitch work. In order to do that, what you can just do is, and then you'll see these in patterns as well, is that if you wrap the hook first and then going into the regular stitch just like so, and then pick it up, you can see that you just created an extra stitch to play with later. So if you wanted to increase it, so say we wanted to double our size, we just want to just wrap the hook and pull through, you can see that we're just adding more and more stitches as we go to do that. And then I'm just gonna speed along to the end. So this would be how you do increases if you wanted to. So if you had to do more than just a 2 increase, so if you had to do more, you could wrap it a few more times. It all depends on the instructions that you're gonna work with in order to do that. You'll treat your ending as normal. You can see you got a lot more on the hook, so yarn over, pull through 1, and then do your 2s all the way back. So because you are also working with the ones that you wrapped, you will see that you would just have created extra stitches in order for you to play with in the future. And you can see these kind of ideas going on in hats and anything that you need to increase on. So you can do this with a multiple of stitches, not just a simple stitch for increasing, and it's just a matter of wrapping that hook first and then just leaving that loop onto the hook so that it increases. You may not have this significant of an increase, but it wouldn't matter. So when you go to do the next pass, you just simply just pick up all the stitches that you see, including the ones that are the loops. The ones that are increasing here, they look a little strange the first pass through, but once you start getting them, you'll see them, and you'll see that everything will start lining up perfectly. So that would be how you would do an increase using simple stitching, but you can just do this with any kind of stitch that you wanted to. Just follow the instructions, whatever the designer has for you. So that's how to do an increase.